ride with the captain.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Ready for a tour?
Heck yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. And today's adventure, we are up in Philly. Right now, we're at Betsy Ross' house, and we're getting ready to take a tour with the Philly captain. I've done it before. I'm going to do it again. This is going to be a wild one. We got a whole bunch of different people on this tour. Some YouTubers, some people that just like history and real history. So, time for an adventure. This is going to be wild.
We have 3 Rocky statues, and the Rocky statue was here. That was the Rocky statue from the movie Rocky 3. And that's actually inside the art museum, not outside, it's inside the art museum. There is a Rocky statue atop of the steps. That Rocky statue is from Sylvester Stallone's house. Now, rumor has it that when Stallone dies, the Rocky statue that's atop of the steps, that's going to be his headstone. I play Rocky. They filmed in Kensington. I was there when they were filming that.
Really?
Yeah. They filmed it on the same streets of Rocky 1 6 months ago. You can see it on the channel. Joe Frazier lived in North Philadelphia on Broad Street, kind of near Broad and Lehigh, and where Connie Mack Stadium used to be, in that area. And if you lived in North Philly, where Joe Frazier lived, if you were in the neighborhood, Joe Frazier, the heavyweight champion of the world, would give you free boxing lessons. That is the coolest. Near the end of Joe's life, he was kind of hard up on cash. And if you knocked on his door and gave him $100, he would give you a free boxing lesson. And you'd probably get autographs too. Yeah. I wish I did that. His house now is vacant. It's an old furniture store, and they're talking about destroying it. And this is where he trained to fight Muhammad Ali. He destroyed Muhammad Ali. One of the things about the Frazier-Ali fights is when Ali was banned from fighting in the 60s because he didn't want to take part in the Vietnam War, which was funny. He didn't want to kill people, so they punished him by not letting him fight people. And so he had no money, and Joe Frazier gave him money at his time of need, and then they got ready for a fight. And Ali was a fan of pro wrestling, and he just did a lot of shit talking, and Joe Frazier took all of that to heart. You know, some people don't get showbiz sometimes. So anyway, what we're going to do now is you guys are going to run up the Rocky steps or walk up the Rocky steps. Everybody, I want to introduce Mark. He is our driver tonight. We're being driven around by the chariot driver of the champions. Mark, has anybody ever heard of the Philadelphia Eagles? Mark drove the Eagles during the Super Bowl parade. He drove Saquon Barkley. And today, he is driving us. Eagles! Go Birds! The bell inside that steeple, it's where the Liberty Bell used to hang, but the bell inside that steeple is called the Centennial Bell. It's made of 4 cannons. 2 cannons from the Battle of Gettysburg, 2 cannons from the Battle of Saratoga. They melted down those 4 cannons, and they made that 13,000-pound bell that hangs in the steeple. So if you ever hear the bell at Independence Hall ring, you, my friend, are not hearing a bell. What you're hearing is American history. Let's go! Fun fact, if you watch the opening of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, all of the credits are filmed at nighttime. There's no sun in the opening of the credits. Right there is the Basilica of St. Peter and Paul. Bless you. Does anybody know what makes a basilica a basilica?
No.
A pope has to say mass at the church. Right behind me is the Amor sign, which looks just like the Love Park sign, but it says Amor, which is Spanish and Italian for love. That sat behind Pope Francis in 2015 when he said mass at the Art Museum. You guys having a good summer? Yeah! Do you guys know the song of the summer?
Yeah! Watch the tram car, please.
Watch the tram car, please. Come on, everybody!
Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please.
Move aside, hop a ride. Watch the tram car, please. You guys have a good time? Yeah! That's the most important thing. That is the most important thing. I've been doing these tours now. It's going on its second month. So 7 years ago, this is a dream of mine, and I wanted to do this, and the tour guide company told me I was too Philadelphia to give tour guides. I don't know what that means. This is a dream of mine, and my dream is coming true after every tour I do. And I want to thank you guys for helping me live my dream. I hope you guys had a good time today. Day One Adventures. Hit like and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Jen from New Jersey. Our channel name is Spencer's Ventures. Come check us out.
Gary Sullivan, aka Sully, the retired tank reactor. My channel is called Three Chords and the Truth.
Brown-eyed fish and peace, love Disney.
So I had an amazing tour with the Philly captain. This is the third time I've done a tour with him, and every time I go on a tour with him, I learn a little bit more. I first met him at the Philadelphia Car Show back in 2020, and he was the first YouTuber I had ever met in person, and he was so kind and everything. And then once the pandemic happened, we did a tour collaboration. He's a really cool guy. I just really enjoy all the information and how outgoing he is and the energy. And all the people that were on this tour, you know, shout out to y'all for just bringing the energy and the vibes. And we had a lot of good YouTubers that were there. Please look them up. I'll put their links in the description. Give them a little support. And I find it's really good to go on a tour of your own city or a city that you're used to going to, because a tour guide will be able to tell you the little things that you might not know about, and little tidbits and fun facts and all kinds of things. Have you ever gone on a tour of a city that you've gone to a lot of times? Let me know down in the comments. And thanks for watching this video. And until next adventure, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I will see you all soon.